balls. Bro, you cut me right on my balls. You got to watch yourself. Shake, shake, shake. Watch my balls and watch my hands. Just how we walk down the street. Oh, just nothing regular. A pit bull on no leash, jumping against the rope like he's crazy, and his owner is crazy. We both just some crazy people. Never mind us. He think he's stronger than me, that's all. But he's not. Tell him, buddy, you barely even 4 months. Gotta calm down. Calm down. Ouch! Grab my hand, you little mutt chump pop head. I gotta get some gloves. He always grab my hand. He controls it, but still. I don't want him to focus on it. I like leaving my hand out because it makes him have to control himself. See, you see that? I think he's stronger than me. Look, he might be. He's just trying coming on my hand. That's only because I got a little grip on it, baby grip on it. He think he's stronger than me, but he ain't. I just got a little bit of grip. Let me get some better grip. I know I'm making this skip. Dang. My baby boy snatched it out my hand for the first time in his life. Okay. Okay, you think you're getting strong? You don't do it. I got a full grip on it. Okay, that's what I thought. You knew you had the upper hand on me, didn't you?